Today we are going to learn 8th standard numbers exercise 1.1 objective type questions. So 11th question. The number which is subtracted from minus 6 by 11 to get 8 by 9 is. This sentence I've written, see, from minus 6 by 11. So minus 6 by 11 minus some number. We don't know that number. Let the unknown number be x. Some number, your answer is 8 by 9. A number subtracted from this minus 6 by 11 gives you 8 by 9. Okay, let us find that. Minus x, unknown number, let it be here itself. 8 by 9, let it be here itself. Minus 6 by 11, when take to other side, becomes plus 6 by 11. So, let the unknown number be as it as minus x. Now, we are going to solve this one. Here, the denominators are different. So, we'll take LCM. 9 11s are. So, 99 is your LCM. 9 to become 99 into 11 into 11. 11 to become 99 into 9 into 9. So, 8 11s are 88 plus 6 9s are 54. So, let the unknown value be as it as 88 plus 54 is 142 divided by 9. Therefore, x is equals to negative value will move to other side. Minus 142 divided by 99 is your answer. So, B is your answer. This is about the 11th sum. Now your 12th sum. Which of the following pairs are in equivalent? So, 4 questions are given. We have to find which is equivalent to another. Your first question, minus 20 by 12. We'll write this in standard form to find whether they are equal. So, minus 20 can be written as minus 4 into 5. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So, 4 get cancels. Your answer is minus 5 by 3. Your second value is 5 by 3. Is minus 5 by 3 is equivalent to 5 by 3? No. So, first one answer is wrong. Now, the second question. The first value is 16 divided by minus 30. We'll write this in the standard form. Standard form means it should not divide anymore. So, 16 can be written as 2 into 8. Minus 30 can be written as minus 2 into 15. So, 2 get cancelled. 8 minus 15. We cannot divide this number anymore. So, your answer is 8 divided by minus 5 and your second number is minus 8 divided by 15. See, this is 8 by 15. 8 by 15, you have a 1 negative sign, 1 negative sign. They are equivalent. So, B is your answer. No problem. Even we'll find C also. Minus 18 by 36. So, we'll bring this minus 18 by 36 in the standard form. Minus 2 into 9, 2 into 18. So, 2 get cancels. Minus 9 by 18. So, again we can cancel. 9 into 1, 9 into 2. So, 9 get cancelled. Minus 1 by 2. So, the first one answer is minus 1 by 2. Minus 20 by 44, it is not in the standard form. We'll bring this in the standard form. Minus 2 into 10 divided by 2 into 22. 2 get cancels. Minus 10 divided by 22. So, once again 2 into 5, 2 into 11. 2 get cancelled. Answer is minus 5 by 11. First answer is minus 1 by 2. Second one is minus 5 by 11. They are not equal. The answers are different. D answer, 7 by 5 minus 5 by 7. Here it is 7 by 5. Here the reciprocal is 5 by 7. So, they are not equivalent. Therefore, your second one, B answer is both are equivalent. So, B is your answer. Next, your third question. Minus 5 by 4 is a rational number which lies between. So, minus 4 by 5 lies between. We have to find. So, we'll divide this number minus 5 by 4. The minus let it be. So, 5 divided by 4, your answer is 1. We'll write this in the mixed fraction. So, I've written here 1 by 4. So, 1 4s are 4 plus 1, 5. We have 1 minus, so I've written here minus. So, what is the meaning of this? 1 by 4 means 1 point something. Minus 1 point something. So, it lies between 0 and minus 5 by 4. No. Minus 1 and 0. No. 1 point something means minus 1 point something means it goes higher to minus 1 and least to the minus 2. It is greater than minus 1. It should be less than minus 2. So, minus 4 and minus 5. No. So, the possibility is the C. So minus 1, 1 by 4 means minus 1 point something. So it lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Your 14th question, which of the following rational number is the greatest? So among the 4 numbers, we have to find which number is the greatest number. So to find the greatest number, already we have solved the sums in the exercise. First we'll take LCM for all the denominator numbers. So 24, 16, 8, 32. The LCM of 24, 16, 8, 32 is 96. We'll write the numbers one by one. Okay, I've written the numbers one by one. The LCM is 96, 96, 96, 96. So 24 to become 96 into 4 into 4. So 17 into 4 is minus 68. So 16 to become 96 into 6 into 6. Minus 13 into 6 is minus 78. Next, my 8 to become 96 is into 12 into 12. So 12 sevens are 84. And 32 to become 96 is into 3 into 3. So 31 into 3 is 93. Already we have one minus. So the answers I've written. Minus 68 by 96, minus 78 by 96, minus 84 by 96, minus 93 by 96. Now we'll find which is the greatest. Before that, minus 68 is greater than minus 78. Minus 78 is greater than minus 84. Minus 84 is greater than minus 93 divided by 96. So 68 divided by 96, it belongs to minus 17 by 24. Minus 78 by 96 belongs to minus 13 by 6. Minus 84 by 96 belongs to 7 by minus 8. And minus 93 divided by 96 belongs to minus 31 by 32. So you just consider the numerator number. Among the numerator numbers, minus 17 is greater. So minus 68 is greater than 96. The number belongs to minus 68 divided by 96 is minus 17 divided by 24. So minus 17 divided by 24, A is your answer. Your last one, 15th one. The sum of the digits of the denominator in the simplest form of 112 divided by 528 is. Sum of the digits means you have to add the digits of the denominator. In the denominator, you should add the digits in the simplest form. First, we have to find the simplest form of 112 divided by 528. After that, you should add the denominator value. Okay. 112 divided by 528. So 112 can be written as 2, 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 8 2s are 16, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14, 1 7s are 7. 528 can be written as 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12, balance 1, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. 11 3s are 33, 11 1s are 11. So, we have found the prime factorization. 112 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 528 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. So, similar terms will cancel. 2 get cancels. 2 get cancels. Balance 7 divided by 3 into 11. 7 divided by 33. Now, the digits in the denominator is 33. So 3 plus 3, 6 is your answer. So C is your answer. Take your own time and solve these problems. Thank you, children.